How to bulk upload your NFTs to Opensea. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can bulk upload on Opensea. So a lot of the times whenever you are looking to mint your NFTs or create your NFTs, so if I go onto my profile over here, you can see, you have to add each individual NFT, and that can be a hassle, especially if you are someone that is looking to create multiple collections. So how can you upload multiple NFTs together instead of having to upload them all individually? Well, the first way is that if you go into the create section, you can just create a file, you can create a collection, and then you can go ahead and add all of those NFTs within that collection, and then you can mint them all together. That is one option, but that still means you would have to upload each individual file on its own. So go ahead and make sure that you're not having to upload each individual NFT over and over again. Well, you can see, a lot of these creators, they have so many different NFTs in a singular collection, and they launch their NFTs all together. So you might always think that, oh, maybe they set like a specific time for the upload of their NFTs, and then they upload all their NFTs prerequisitely. So they upload them all beforehand and then they let them mint. So that is one option. But the more easier and more convenient option is using a integration like Nifty Mint. So niftymint.art is a website that will enable you to create NFTs in a simpler way. They allow you bulk minting, no captcha, full metadata support, full ownership, OpenSea compatible, blazing fast, custom smart contracts, and eco-friendly. So a lot of the profits that are generated by their platform are gone to reducing CO2 emissions with every purchase. So to get started, all you have to do is you're going to get 30 minting options for free, and then you only pay $0.2 for every NFT that you mint. So we're just going to click on sign up with Google, Twitter, or Facebook, so you can sign up with any of these platforms. We're going to continue on with Google over here. You're just going to select the account that you want to create your collection with, and then you're just going to add the collection name. So let's just say this is going to be Canva NFTs. So after you have entered the collection name, you're just going to click on next over here, and then you're just going to drag and drop your images. So you can also choose to click here, and then you can just go into your downloads, select all the NFTs that you want, and just like that, I've added these three all together. You can add descriptions, you can add metadata files, you can add multimedia files to your NFT as well. And you can add many more NFTs in a singular collection. I'm just adding these three as an example. And then you're going to click on publish. Then you're just going to enter your wallet address to continue, which is going to be present on over here. So you can see over here, you have your wallet address, and then you're just going to paste and save. And then you can see over here, you have your current balance, you have your spending, and then your new balance, and you're going to click on confirm. And now you can see your NFTs are being minted on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, so you're just going to wait for a couple of minutes for the minting process to be completed for your NFTs to be minted. So you can select as many as you want, and they will all be minted at the exact same time. You don't have to wait, and you also don't have to, upload each individual file on its own. These are just some of the amazing tips that will enable you to have the best experience while you are taking a look at your NFT collection or uploading your NFT collection or minting it. So we are just going to wait for a couple of seconds for our NFTs to be minted on the blockchain. So now you can see over here that the collection is being uploaded, but you can see one item has been published, and you can just click on the item over here and click on show on OpenSea. And just like that, you can see this has been uploaded on OpenSea, and you can begin selling it over here. To list it on the OpenSea platform, you can enter the amount and the service fees. And so you can list the amount, and especially if you're looking to upload, large collections, this is going to be a super helpful tool, because you can't upload, 70 or 80 NFTs individually. That takes so much time and effort. So that is going to be one of the best parts about using the Nifty Mint platform. So just like that, you can see the other one is being published and so on and so forth. Just give it a couple of minutes for the publishing process to be completed. Now, the thing that you're going to do after you have published them on Nifty Mint, you have to follow a few other steps. You're going to go into the settings, and you're going to make sure that if you go ahead and go to the details, so you can see the contract address, the blockchain. Sometimes Nifty Mints will end up tagging themselves as the people that are in the collection collection. So you're going to actually, whenever you're going to go ahead and go into the sell section, and whenever you're going to be entering the price, so I'm going to enter the price. And then you're going to add the duration. You can see that Opensea will not charge you any fees whatsoever, because Opensea is a platform where the person that is purchasing the NFT later on, they are going to be paying the gas fees or the GUI, whatever is the GUI rate that is going on. So you're just going to click on complete listing over here, and then you're just going to sign from your wallet over here. You're just going to wait. You're going to scroll down, and then you're going to click on sign. And then just like that, you're just going to wait for the approval to be completed. You're going to click on approve, and then you're going to click on switch network, and then you're going to just scroll down, click on sign, and then you're going to click on view listing. So you can see over here the listing has been made, and now my NFT is actually up for sale. People can actually purchase this NFT as well, and I can go ahead and make money with multiple collections in this way. And you can see as I go on, you can see all 3 of my NFTs have been published and they are all available on my collection. So if I go on over here, you can see that the other one is just being uploaded. These are being published as we speak, and in this way, if you just leave your computer or PC or laptop on for a couple of minutes, leave it on for 10-20 minutes whenever you're uploading, and just leave it there, and the NFTs will be minted on the blockchain and your collection will be completed and uploaded onto the Opensea platform. So this is the simple way that you can use to upload multiple hundreds of NFTs in a simple way. Now, although this is an amazing way, you do actually have to pay a fee, which is $0.1, and it's not a large fee, so it's not very difficult to be able to navigate this. But for someone that is looking to just get started with NFTs, and even like if you're just getting started, you probably don't even have like a large collection of NFTs. So for those people, I would recommend that you go on ahead and you, instead of, directly going and using this platform to make your NFTs, just go ahead and simply upload your NFTs individually. See if you're actually working around in the market, see if you're making a profit or not, and then choose to pay for paid tools, because I don't want you guys to be paying for tools that won't even be helpful for you guys. So make sure to check the overall individual value of your NFTs before you end up paying for service charges like bulk uploads and other things as well. So make sure that you have a better understanding of where you're going to go with your NFTs, and make sure that you create multiple collections. So this is just Jane's collection. Then I can click on new collection over here, and then I can just go ahead and enter a new collection name to begin uploading the next collection. So in this way, you're not limited to only creating one very large collection, but you can create multiple different segregations and separations in your collection section to better help you organize your NFTs. And if you're looking for some more tips on Opensea, I have a detailed video on how you can get started with Opensea on the channel as well, so make sure to check that out for more help. And if you're looking to know how to build your NFTs, I built these NFTs using Canva. You can see over here that Canva will allow you to create a lot of good NFTs. They have a lot of different options for you available. So if you're also looking to understand how to create your NFTs, to build up your NFTs, then check out a tutorial that I have on how to create NFTs with Canva. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now better able to understand how to upload large collections on the Opensea platform without having to upload each individual NFT. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries regarding how to use Nifty Mints, how to use Opensea, how to bulk upload, or any other questions regarding NFTs or the blockchain, make sure to ask in the comment section down below, and I will answer you guys as soon as possible. And I will catch you guys in the next video.